The court will act only as a court of last resort.
So ngayon, pag-usapan natin yung sinabi ni Miriam Defensor Santiago, which is, by the way, the first Filipino to be a judge on the International Criminal Court. This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this!
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Okay, complementarity, ibig sabihin it complements. 'Di ba? It complements. It is a court of last resort. You don't go there immediately.
Alright, dun pa lang ang dami na nating pwedeng i-deduce. So, if ICC is the court of last resort, then meaning, dapat dumaan pa siya doon sa lower courts katulad ng Regional Trial Court, Court of Appeals, Supreme Court. So, ask yourself, dun pa lang sa simple, napaka-basic na tanong, nasunod ba yung due process kay Duterte? O, diba, lover kayo ng due process? Ask yourself this. Yung ginawa ba kay Duterte naayon doon sa due process na hinihiling nyo katulad ng sa due process na iniiyak nyo doon sa mga biktima ng EJK. Ano, tutuloy pa ba natin tong discussion na to? Magdi-discuss pa ba ako? Kailangan pa ba? Ano pa yung mga rebuttals nila doon? Sasabihin nyo, corrupt kasi yung justice system ng Pilipinas eh. Now, that's a claim that you should be proving. The way you sound right now is that you are just a hater of a person and you are willing to wear the goggles of bias because of your emotions towards the person. Now, sige, kakampihan kita. Ipakulong natin pareho si Duterte or suportahan natin yung mga nagpapakulong kay Duterte. Basta aaminin mo sa sarili mo that you are also willing to go outside of the rules on the book to go after people you dislike. PM nyo sa akin yung mga sagot nyo. Pipili ako ng 5 tao at sasabihin ko kung ano yung sagot ko dun sa tanong na yon. Yung sagot na yon will actually rock your philosophical foundation in life, morality, at kung ano-ano pa. With the drinks of your choice. Pero of course, preferably coffee. So, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.